Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. It is a very wet, rainy, windy Tuesday. It is October 13th. Been trying to do a date in my video when I intro it so you guys have an idea when I upload it. It's like I might not upload this for 2 weeks, so kind of gives you an idea when I film and when I upload. So anyway, I wanted to do a video. This is kind of a VR to my brother from another mother, Lee Ralph, who did a video of the Kelty Redwing. So here it is. This has been in my videos a lot, and it's an older model. It's about, I would say, it's about 8 years old, and it's still running strong. Not a single rip or tear. One thing I like, it's got these two side pockets. I got my hat hanging here. I might try to do another video if it starts downpouring, which I'm kind of hoping for. But each side has a big pocket with a little mesh, with a stretchy mesh pocket here, and a strap that goes across. There's also a Velcro underneath here, so you could run an axe all the way down and stick it in the pocket and then just cinch it down like I've done on several outings. Yes, I was hoping it would be here. So this is big enough for a Nalgene with a little room to spare. You could probably shove a couple bandanas in here or whatever. So we've got plenty of room for a Nalgene or a Guyot or a clean canteen. Plenty of room. Has a pocket in front with a grab handle, which I've used for, like, I get the scale, but I already know what the weight of the pack is, so now I don't need it. But I just got some paper towels. I'm going to cook lunch here today. It has a front loading pocket with my lid. Got my Country River Products poncho, which I'm hoping it starts raining so I can test it. And then we got my dollar store fire kit and my other fire kit. Never go home without those. Some olive oil that leaked. Crap. It's got these, these spots in here. I've shoved like bandanas in here and small items in here. I got the spork in here. My dollar store spoon in here. Just a pen in case I want to write notes. Damn olive oil. Oh, one thing that's nice is you can see how big this mesh pocket is, because I have a large fuel canister in there and I had plenty of room for it. I've also stuck my gas fire stove in here and had plenty of room for it. And this side pouch has just another water bottle. Then there's the main compartment, which it zips down pretty far. So there's a lot of room in here. It's also hydration capable with a little hydration hole. I have carried a bladder in here. It's got a little hook to hold it. Stove. I'm going to be doing a cooking video today, so. And that's it. Now, if you saw my Nesmic inspired video, I actually did a Nesmic inspired video where I carried shelter and my chair and cook set and food and everything. It was all in this one pack. Little zip pocket here that I forgot to show you. Just on the inside of the front. It has a bandana in. There's no hip. Well, I guess you can't see that. There's no pouch on the belt, but that's not a deal breaker for me. I mean, I guess it's nice to have on some but I've never really thought much about it because I had the front pouch. Let's see. The pack is, just so I'm correct, it is 3 pounds 4 ounces for the pack. It's an internal frame with an aluminum stay right here, which you can't see. So aluminum, which I believe is removable. I can't remember if you can take this out or not. I don't think you can. Unless you can, I just don't realize you can. So I was looking at their Kelty website today, and they actually had a new model where they had Molly on the front, so you can attach things to it. Now mine has Molly on the bottom, and I've actually attached a sleeping bag to the bottom, and I just ran, straps through to hold it up. Unfortunately, the pack itself, the new one, I got off the website today, $129.95. So it's not cheap, but I think it will last. I mean, I've had this thing 8 years or so, and it's been on many a trail, it's been on many outing. I've carried shelter in here, food in here, I've overnighted with it. It's just been a good pack. I mean, it's not my beloved it's not my beloved Hidden Woodsman, but it's been solid. So a little pricey, but it's gonna last. I mean, this has got 8 years on it, and there's not a single hole in it anywhere. I mean, it's dirty, but it's got some wear and tear. Oh, and I got a garbage bag. A little extra score. It's funny, I was actually going through all my packs one time, and I kept pulling out trash bags, and I kept pulling out stuff. I had like Cliff Bars in every bag. It's kind of funny, but so yeah. So that's the Kelty Redwing 50. I like it. It's in my arsenal of packs that I try to rotate through. I think last time I had the Hidden Woodsman Day Rock out with me, or I'll bring the Mike Charlie pack, or just one of the others, depending on how I'm feeling that day. So, alright, well, check out Lee Ralph. His video is in the description. His pack might be a little different because this is 4 years old. I believe, I don't know how often they make pack changes. I know they have a different one now, but I've been really happy with this pack, so food for thought. As always, well, forgot to mention it's got the comfortable straps, but I've liked it. So, all right. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments, and I will catch you in the next one.